Hello, a Better Lived Life crew. So I am Christina, coach, combat vet, and community change agent. And this is Squish. Squish is deaf. And today, Squish is going to be our visual aid to represent our conversation on problem solving. So I quickly realized that Squish couldn't be allowed outside. He was simply at much greater risk if he got out between cars, dogs, other cats. He couldn't hear a threat coming. So if he gets out, that's a problem. Additionally, even around the house where it's fairly safe, we have issues of, what happens if he has to evacuate in an emergency. Yes. Okay. And as such, if we have to evacuate in an emergency or even just need to get to the vet, what do? He can't come when I call and shake a bag of treats like other cats can. So if I can't find him, that's a problem. So, but if I look at this from the lens of, well, he's deaf, that's a problem. Well, I can't solve him being deaf. That's not something we can solve. We just can't. So, what are my options? Well, I can start reframing the problem. So, the problem is that Squish can't come when called. Well, that's one way of reframing it, but can I really solve that either? Not really. So let's look at it again. Well, the problem is I need to be able to find him. I need to be able to find him quickly. Well, does that have a solution? Well, yes, that one does. Can you see his collar there? You see that? That is Squish's smart tag. If Squish gets out of the house, he is geotagged. So, as long as I have my phone, I can most likely find him. But if we're closer, like we're in the house, or even if we're outside, but I'm getting closer to where he is, from here, I can turn on sound. The geotag will start playing music, which means I can find him even if he's under something, in something. And there we go. We have a solution to our problem. When you take the time to reframe your problems, look at them from another direction, consider them from another angle, or even turn around and use antonyms. I was focused on lost. If he gets lost, well, that's a problem. But what about if I focus on found? What if he's found? Well, how do I find him? So by focusing on found, we found a solution. And now my little deaf kitty is at much lower risk, and I can find him when I need to. And he is all worked up now, so we got to get going. But to my Better Lived Life crew, if you found this video educational, entertaining, even just interesting, or heck, even if you just think Squish is a lovely kitty, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.